Alright guys, so here are the things that you're always going to need when you're doing your eyebrows. You are going to need a brush to brush them out. You are going to need an angled brush as well that you will be using to fill in your brows. This is the Morphe 215 brush. Also going to need another angled brush that will clean out the eyebrows. And you're going to need your eyebrow pomade, Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade in ebony. And this is a product that you use to fill in your eyebrows. And then you're going to need a concealer. I use the NC50 Studio Finish Concealer by MAC. I start off by brushing the eyebrows. You want to make sure that you line them the way you want them to look. Once I'm done brushing them out, I get the small angled brush that I showed you earlier. And then I get the brow pomade as well. And then I get a little bit of product. You want to make sure you get just a little bit. This product goes a very long way. It's too thick, so you want to make sure you're not exaggerating. Diving in. You want to get just a little bit, just enough for you to apply on the eyebrows. Start off by lining the bottom part like this. Try to make sure you follow your natural eyebrow line. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit more. Then I go up and do the same exact thing. I'm just trying to stay around the natural eyebrow line. And what I do is I go in and I start drawing hair strokes like this. And then I use the remaining product to just fill everything in. Like this. Trust me guys, you do not want to use a lot of product. Brushes do pick up a lot of this product, the eyebrow pomade, so you just want to use everything that you have on the brush. And once that is done, I go in with the same brush that I used to brush them on and brush that eyebrow out like this. There you have it. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on this eyebrow. So you start off by brushing it out again. Go in with this brush. Then we're gonna go in and draw the hair strokes. And then fill in the eyebrow with the remaining product. So as you guys can see, I haven't gone back into the eyebrow pomade and got more product. I'm just literally using the remaining product on the brush. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to brush out the eyebrows again. Like this. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer and just clean them up. This is the fun part. You want to make sure you're very careful and just following that eyebrow line, the natural line that you drew in. Try not to go too far in because then you'll clean out the eyebrow and it will look funny. To clean them up, so I start from the bottom like this. And again, I'm following that natural line that we drew in. And then once I get to the part that has an arch, come down slowly. And then I use the remaining product on the brush I don't go back into the concealer to get more product. I just use the remaining product because you still have enough product on there, and then clean up the upper part. And I like going in and brushing them out again just to make sure everything is in line. And that's it. So I'm going to do the same exact thing and clean up this eyebrow as well. And also guys, you shouldn't stress so much when your eyebrows are not identical. They're not supposed to be identical. They can look like sisters as long as they're not way off, like distant cousins. You don't want them looking like that. You just want to make sure that at least the shapes are close to each other, looking similar but not identical, because it's hard to get your eyebrows looking identical. Let's just be honest. So don't stress about it. Just as long as you make sure that they are lined together, you want them to have the same shape but not looking identical. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your eyebrows. Just gonna clean them up by brushing. And that's it guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm done putting on my makeup and here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.